In this video, I will show you how to fix Kindle not charging when plugged in. So what do you do when your Kindle is not charging? So the first thing that you can do is to go ahead and remove the cover. If your Kindle has a cover, make sure the cover flap doesn't block the port or charging cable, or try removing the cover. Now, another thing you can do is to restart your Kindle. Try restarting your device to see if you can get it to charge. Press and hold the power button until you see the power menu box on your screen. Now, simply restart your Kindle, and then if that doesn't work as well, you can go ahead and inspect the charging cable or wireless charging dock. Check your device charging cable or wireless charging dock for any damage. Another thing you can do is to unplug your Kindle and then check the charging port. Now, you can also check the power source if that is a problem. And if that doesn't work as well, you can go ahead and perform a factory reset to your Kindle. So to do that, head over into your settings, go to device options, select menu, and select factory reset. So when prompted, select yes to confirm. And that's basically how you can fix Kindle not charging. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.